Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to English Speaking Way. I'm Sarah, and today we're starting something special together. Today is day 1 of our 5-day English shadowing challenge, and I'm honestly excited about this one because so many of you have been asking for something structured, something you can follow step by step, something that actually helps you speak, not just watch videos. So for the next 5 days, we are going to train together. No pressure, no competition, just simple daily practice. But before we start, I want to tell you something important. Please, do not compare yourself to anyone. Every English learner has a different journey. Some people improve fast. Some people take a little longer. Some feel confident quickly, and others need more time. And you know what? That is completely normal, because fluency is not a race, it's a habit. Over these 5 days, we will practice different things. We will work on confidence, thinking in English, useful idioms, workplace English, and everyday conversations. But remember something, this challenge is not about becoming fluent in 5 days. That's not realistic. This challenge is about something much more important, consistency, showing up every day, because 5 minutes every day is much more powerful than 1 hour once a week. Daily practice creates momentum, and momentum builds confidence. So today we start with the most important foundation, not vocabulary, not grammar, confidence, because when confidence grows, speaking becomes easier. Now here's what I want you to do. Look at the subtitles on the screen. Listen carefully, pay attention to the rhythm, and most importantly, speak with me, not inside your head, out loud. Yes, even if you are alone, even if it feels strange at first, because just watching English videos will never improve your speaking. You must use your voice. Think of this like your English speaking gym. First, you listen. Then you repeat. Each sentence will be repeated 3 times. Follow the highlighted words on the screen. They will guide you. All right, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Day 1. I am ready to improve my English. Repeat after me. I am ready to improve my English. Again. I am ready to improve my English. One more time. I am ready to improve my English. Great. Next sentence. I speak even if I feel nervous. Repeat. I speak even if I feel nervous. Again. I speak even if I feel nervous. One more time. I speak even if I feel nervous. Excellent. Next one. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Repeat. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Again, I am not afraid of making mistakes. One more time. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Perfect. Next sentence. Every mistake helps me grow. Repeat. Every mistake helps me grow. Again, every mistake helps me grow. One more time. Every mistake helps me grow. Great job. You're doing amazing. Let's continue. I am building confidence every day. Repeat. I am building confidence every day. Again. I am building confidence every day. One more time. I am building confidence every day. Great work. Let's keep going. Repeat after me. I am building confidence every day. Again. I am building confidence every day. One more time. I am building confidence every day. Nice. Next sentence. My voice deserves to be heard. Repeat. My voice deserves to be heard. Again. My voice deserves to be heard. One more time. My voice deserves to be heard. Great. Remember, your voice matters. Let's continue. I am learning to speak clearly. Repeat. I am learning to speak clearly. Again. I am learning to speak clearly. One more time. I am learning to speak clearly. Nice. Next one. I trust my ability to improve. Repeat. I trust my ability to improve. Again. I trust my ability to improve. One more time. I trust my ability to improve. Excellent. Let's move forward. I speak slowly and confidently. Repeat. I speak slowly and confidently. Again. I speak slowly and confidently. One more time. I speak slowly and confidently. Nice. And remember, speaking slowly is not a weakness. It's a skill. Don't be shy. Speak with me. Next sentence. I am patient with myself. Repeat. I am patient with myself. Again. I am patient with myself. One more time. I am patient with myself. Wonderful. Learning a language takes time. Be kind to yourself. Next sentence. I am proud of my effort. Repeat. I am proud of my effort. Again. I am proud of my effort. One more time. I am proud of my effort. Great job. Let's continue. I practice even on busy days. Repeat. I practice even on busy days. Again. I practice even on busy days. One more time. I practice even on busy days. Excellent. Consistency is more powerful than perfection. You're doing really well. Next sentence. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English. Repeat. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English. Again. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English. One more time. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English. Brilliant. Next sentence. I am not comparing myself to others. Repeat. I am not comparing myself to others. Again. I am not comparing myself to others. One more time. I am not comparing myself to others. Excellent. Your journey is unique. Next one. I focus on my own progress. Repeat. I focus on my own progress. Again. I focus on my own progress. One more time. I focus on my own progress. Great pronunciation. Next sentence. I speak without overthinking. Repeat. I speak without overthinking. Again. I speak without overthinking. One more time. I speak without overthinking. Excellent. Speaking becomes easier when you stop overthinking. Next sentence. I allow myself to learn naturally. Repeat. I allow myself to learn naturally. Again. I allow myself to learn naturally. One more time. I allow myself to learn naturally. Nice. Speak out loud with confidence. Next sentence. I am stronger than my doubts. Repeat. I am stronger than my doubts. Again. I am stronger than my doubts. One more time. I am stronger than my doubts. Amazing. And the next one. I speak even when I feel unsure. Repeat. I speak even when I feel unsure. Again. I speak even when I feel unsure. One more time. I speak even when I feel unsure. Great job. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. Let's continue. Repeat after me. I speak even when I feel unsure. Again. I speak even when I feel unsure. One more time. I speak even when I feel unsure. Awesome. Next sentence. I am improving step by step. Repeat. I am improving step by step. Again. I am improving step by step. One more time. I am improving step by step. Brilliant. Progress happens little by little. Next one. I am building a strong habit. Repeat. I am building a strong habit. Again. I am building a strong habit. One more time. I am building a strong habit. Lovely. Habits create real change. Don't stop now. Next sentence. I show up for myself every day. Repeat. I show up for myself every day. Again. I show up for myself every day. One more time. I show up for myself every day. Excellent. Showing up matters more than perfection. Next one. I am creating a better future. Repeat. I am creating a better future. Again. I am creating a better future. One more time. I am creating a better future. Nice. Every small step moves you forward. Next sentence. I speak with calm energy. Repeat. I speak with calm energy. Again. I speak with calm energy. One more time. I speak with calm energy. Great job. Let's continue. I believe in my progress. Repeat. I believe in my progress. Again. I believe in my progress. One more time. I believe in my progress. Awesome. Next one. I am becoming a confident speaker. Repeat. I am becoming a confident speaker. Again. I am becoming a confident speaker. One more time. I am becoming a confident speaker. Lovely. Confidence grows with practice. Almost there. Next sentence. I am training my speaking muscles. Repeat. I am training my speaking muscles. Again. I am training my speaking muscles. One more time. I am training my speaking muscles. Great. Speaking is like exercise. The more you practice, the stronger you become. Next sentence. I am consistent with my practice. Repeat. I am consistent with my practice. Again. I am consistent with my practice. One more time. I am consistent with my practice. Awesome. Next one. I am moving forward every day. Repeat. I am moving forward every day. Again. I am moving forward every day. One more time. I am moving forward every day. Great work. Last sentence. I am proud that I showed up today. Repeat. I am proud that I showed up today. Again. I am proud that I showed up today. One more time. I am proud that I showed up today. Amazing. And just like that, day 1 is complete. Take a moment. Seriously. Take a second and let that sink in. If you actually spoke with me today, not just listened, but truly used your voice, then you did something important, because most learners stop at listening. They understand the lesson, they nod their head, but they don't speak. You did, and that makes a difference. Confidence does not suddenly appear one morning. It's not magic. Confidence is built slowly, sentence by sentence, practice by practice, day by day. And today, you placed the first brick, and that matters. Remember something important. This challenge is not about being fast. It's not about sounding perfect. It's about consistency. Even 5 minutes a day can change everything. Small effort, repeated daily. That's where real progress happens. If you completed today's practice, go ahead and comment, Day 1 done. Not for me, for you. It's your way of saying, I showed up, I started, I'm serious about improving my English. And that decision, that small act of showing up, is powerful. Tomorrow, we continue with Day 2, and tomorrow's topic is very exciting. We will start learning how to think in English, and that's where things begin to change inside your brain. So, rest your voice today, be proud of yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow. This is Sarah from English Speaking Way, and remember, you're doing better than you think. So let's quickly recap what we practiced today. Today was Day 1 of the 5-day English Shadowing Challenge, and today we focused on the most important foundation of speaking English, confidence. We practiced speaking positive sentences that help you stop fearing mistakes, build confidence in your voice, develop a daily speaking habit, train your mouth to speak English naturally. We also learned something important. Fluency does not come from watching videos. Fluency comes from using your voice, speaking, repeating, practicing every day, even if it's only 5 minutes a day. That small daily effort builds confidence, consistency, and real speaking ability. So today, you didn't just watch a video, you trained your speaking muscles, and that's a big step forward. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this practice and you really spoke with me, then you're already one step closer to becoming a confident English speaker. Remember, progress doesn't come from watching videos, it comes from showing up and practicing. So make this a habit. Just a few minutes every day can change the way you speak English. If this practice helped you, make sure to like this video because it helps this lesson reach more English learners around the world. And if you want to keep improving your English speaking, don't forget to subscribe to English Speaking Way and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Also, tell me in the comments, did you complete today's practice? Write Day 1 done. I love reading your progress. All right, my friends. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. I'm Sarah, and I'll see you in the next lesson.